Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So we're keep going at it. This is actually our burnt parts RV that we're working on. So we really want to make sure the slides motors are working because we're going to take those and put it onto our good camper. So the point today is basically get our slide working for our main slide out and also our top bunk mechanically put together and also hopefully done because we want to go camping like tomorrow. So not a lot of time left. Let's go ahead and go right at it. My brother's already working on it and he actually put power directly to the fuse box.
Well, that's going to be the motor. This is the motor for the slides, for the little motors to work. And so we just added power directly to it. But then on a switch is a three-way switch, but there's only two wires going here. So one of those wires is a power cord. So we're going to have to add power to that. And then it should work. So let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so here's the wire that's coming from the jump box. This is our power. And this is our three-way switch right there. So the center one is power. So the theory is if we add power to it right there, and we click the switch, it should work. Oh, wrong way. And there it goes. Okay, that should be enough for us to take apart it on this side and the other side and get the little motors out. So let's try it out. Okay, so we got the motors out, now ready to install into the new one. So let's get this installed and we'll try it out. Okay, so here we have it. We got the motors plugged in and now we are ready to see if it slides. So there's the button right there. Let's see if it goes. There it goes.
Nice.
Let's see if it goes back out. That's a really good sign. So now we can button up the wiring, put the little seals back, we'll be good to go.
Awesome. All right guys, here we go. It's time has come to work on our bunk bed. So we're gonna take apart our parts one to see how it goes again, to get the motors out, and just to refresh our memory because it's been a while. But we'll take this one apart, get some good pictures of it, and duplicate it on the other one with our good parts. Let's tear down. Look at that. Got a mattress. So there's my frame, the one I already reupholstered. We got some hornet wasp nest making their home there. It's not good. Gotta get that out. There we go, bunk bed is down. down. It honestly looks really nice up here. The fire didn't get to it because it was brushed against the ceiling. I mean, look at that. That is mint right there. Only 7,000 miles in this bad boy. Ooh.
Plus now we see how it goes back together, and we got a couple little pieces we can use, like the mattress.
Yeah, the motors themselves are like $300-400 a piece. So that honestly, we're gonna plug those in, make sure they work. But yeah, from over here it looks brand new. My net looks good, so that's safety number one. We'll get that. We'll save that. We're refreshing our memory how it goes back together, how to take it apart. This thing, I feel really sturdy about it. Man, it's nice.
I mean, it is like a bunk bed, so.
Yeah.
And then I can just like pick you up in it afterwards.
Yeah, that's about that.
But let's keep working. Let's get this thing done.
All right.
All right, so here we have it. We got those other pieces off, and we got these guys installed. We got them all cleaned up. We got the little brackets in there. So we're getting more stuff ready for the bed, bunk bed to put in. But before we put the bunk bed in, we're gonna have to put all these little covers and plastics. The next piece would be these guys that go on the side. So let's get these guys in, and then we'll start putting the bunk bed together.
Gonna test out the motors and the brackets before we install the bed. Say when. Oop. Did I break it? Seems like they're working. All right, there we go. Just like that, the bunk bed is installed. We got it wired through, motors connected, we got a little brackets on. We even have our little ladder brackets mounted for that, so the little toddlers could climb up there. Boom, just like that.
Good toddlers. I think you need that too, buddy.
Well, that's nice. That is pretty nice. But let's go ahead and lift it up all the way, and then we could put our side guards on, or basically our other piece that covers up the track and everything like that. It's getting late, but it's coming together. It looks so much nicer with all the side pieces on and the covering. All that time upholstering is paying off. It's nice just to put it on there. It looks clean. But like I said, let's go ahead and raise it up and put more of our pieces on. We'll slow down in a second. Looking okay? Everybody happy? Yeah, looks good.
Looks good.
It's kind of close right here. How are you on your side? Okay. This might hit. It's gonna be close. Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Raising it up. You see what I'm saying?
Go up.
Alright, here we go. Getting side brace on. The netting is on. Safety first for the kiddos. Get this side, and then we're gonna put it on that side, and it's coming along. Alright guys, and just like that, in no time, check out this progress. We've got so much done. I'm just kidding. Time definitely flew. Like a minute ago it was 3 p.m. Now it's like 3 a.m. 3:44 a.m. But hey, you know, the camp day is coming. We gotta hustle, we gotta get it done, and it's looking fantastic. We got the nightshade, we got curtains, we got seat belts. Bunk is done, all the trim work, all that upholstery, man. I'm just gonna like sit at camp and look at it and just be like, wow, that was a lot of work. But it looks really nice. Last thing we want to do is get the seats installed, so then tomorrow morning we'll just go through the final checks and head out to camp. So let's go ahead and get these seats in and see what it looks like. Hey, there we go. I mean, they're really comfortable seats. Obviously, we still have to get them reupholstered, but they're in. We got seat belts. Man, we're getting so close to go, guys. But that's all the time I have for today. Hopefully, next time you see us, we're actually going to be on the road driving this thing, going camping. So stay tuned. Make sure you don't miss out. We definitely got a lot of progress, and we're going to wrap this up sooner than later. Thanks, guys. Thanks for staying tuned. See you next time.